Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and today in this video, I'm going to be talking about how to write convincing and realistic and good, consistent dialogue. You know, consistently throughout the whole work film, the dialogue is good. You don't get worn out, tired, or anything. There's a simple, straightforward, one-step technique, and it's really simple, and I think that all of us should be using it. However, I'm the only one using it, so it's really hard to spread it across because I don't have the exposure. The trick is, okay, so first I'm going to need you to watch Season 1, Episode 3 on how to create characters. So I'll let you watch that. And yeah. Alright, so once you've watched that episode, now what you need to do is you need to go to your document of characters again. We've written down what your characters are, the motivations. Then you need an event to happen. So say a character is apologizing for something happening. Say a father is apologizing to his daughter for divorcing her mom, right? So you write. Okay, so you're looking at the dad's motivations, his character arc. You say, okay, now that I've gotten to know this character inside and out, how would this character start the conversation? How would he say sorry? Does he have a trouble? Does he have a hard time saying sorry? Is he full of himself? Is that his character arc to finally apologize? Or does he want nothing more than to prove to his daughter that he's sorry, so he keeps saying sorry? Then you look at the daughter's character. You look at the contents of what you've written down for her character's notes. And you say, okay, how would she respond to this sentence? And how would she respond to her father finally speaking to her again? And she says something. And then you do this over and over and over again until finally the interaction is complete. You can revise it and edit it as much as you want, because this is not set in stone. It's only set in stone once you upload it. But once you upload it, you would have had enough experience and time to make it good. And this works for anything, honestly. It works so much and so efficiently. Which I personally think people should use it more, because I'm pretty much the only one who uses it. So if this didn't help you, then I don't know what will, because this is a really good technique. And I honestly think that everyone should be using it. So, yeah. But, yeah. And the difference is that even the smallest characters will have character notes. That's the difference between Season 1, Episode 3 and this episode. Even the smallest of characters will have these big moments. Because obviously, why would they be in the story at all if they're not characters? You need to establish what they're like and give them a small sense of what they are. That way it seems like more of a bigger world, like it's not only a confined world to the story that you're writing. And what I mean by this is that, for example, in Harry Potter, this big universe, like a big school, right? So, basically, so you see, okay, so Harry Potter, say he's talking to a girl, right? He's talking to her, and you get to know her personality for a bit. But you don't reveal all of it because she's a really minor character. Maybe she's just a plot device, but never write characters just because they're plot devices. We'll get to that later, though. But yeah, so basically, don't reveal all of it if she's just a minor character. That way it gives a better sense of that there's a bigger world out there. There's more things that will never be uncovered because it's the real world. It's an actual world and not just a story world. It gives realism and actuality to the thing. So that's all I have to say for this episode, and I'll see you guys later. So yeah, peace out, Cub Scout.